This video covers steps for installing the Graco 4Ever Extend2Fit Platinum 4-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode with EZ Tight LATCH. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. And make sure your vehicle is on level ground.
Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding.
Now we will show you the steps for a rear-facing installation with EZ Tight LATCH. In rear-facing mode, you can use the EZ Tight LATCH if your child weighs 35 pounds or less. If your child weighs more than 35 pounds, install your car seat using the vehicle seatbelt and refer to the rear-facing with seatbelt installation video. First, push the base against the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the base is on your vehicle seat. Remove the EZ Tight latch from the side of the car seat by pushing the red buttons on the latch connectors. Make sure the EZ Tight latch strap is in the rear-facing belt path marked with a blue label. If EZ Tight latch strap is in the incorrect belt path, refer to your owner's manual for instructions. Check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is in the blue zone for rear-facing car seat installation. Adjust the recline if necessary until the bubble is completely within the blue zone. For rear-facing, you can use recline positions 1 through 4. If your recline is still not in the blue zone, refer to your owner's manual for additional options. Now you're ready to install with EZ Tight LATCH. Here's a breakdown of the EZ Tight LATCH retractor that you will be using. Press and hold on the blue release button while pulling the latch strap until it is fully extended. Attach the vehicle's lower latch anchors. Latch strap should lie flat and not be twisted. Make sure you hear a click. Pull on latch to be sure they are attached. Pull all of the latch strap slack to the retractor side. Activate the EZ Tight LATCH retractor by sliding and releasing the gray button. You should hear clicking. Tighten the EZ Tight LATCH by pushing down firmly on the car seat to help the retractor remove the slack. Do this until the retractor no longer clicks. Please note that some vehicle seats will need more pressure to tighten the EZ Tight LATCH than others. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the EZ Tight LATCH strap is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, push down harder on the car seat to help the retractor tighten more. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the level indicator one more time to make sure the bubble is still completely within the blue zone. Check the harness. For rear-facing car seat, harness slots should be at or below the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the harness as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Check the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.